Okay, geometry educators, now more than ever, it's important that we use pre-assessments to form small groups and scaffold instruction to grade level proficiency. We need to ask, what do students need to know in order to be successful on today's lesson? What are those prerequisite skills that if the students don't know and understand, they will be facing a barrier to accessing today's lesson? How might we determine what skills they know prior to the lesson? We can use informal or observable pre-assessments to gauge where the students are in their understanding of those prerequisite skills in order to design instruction for our small groups. How might we more accurately tailor the instruction to the readiness of our students? It's really important that we take the students from their level of understanding currently to grade level proficiency and beyond. In order to do that, we know that we use small group settings for instruction when pre-assessment data shows any amount of time spent speaking to the whole group will most likely only impact a small portion of the students. The size of the group and number of meetings may vary, but the important part is that we are intentional about what we are doing with the students when we meet with them. When the students are not with us, assign collaborative or independent tasks. Design those activities to enrich student understanding and incorporate self-checking as possible. And create a system of communication so they know what to do when they're not with you and the expectations when they are with you. In the Unit 1 curriculum document, if you scroll down to Stage 2, you'll see examples of prerequisite skills and understandings and pre-assessments for this unit. If we want to determine if our students can measure length with a ruler, we can give them a ruler, ask them to draw a line segment of a given length, or give them a line segment and ask the students to find the length. We can do this digitally with an activity such as the broken ruler activity on GeoGebra. Here, they move the ruler and find the measure of the line accordingly. They can write it down, or they can take a screenshot and annotate the image. Other prerequisite skills for this unit include plotting points with rational number coordinates and using properties of rectangles, squares, and parallelograms to identify the shapes. This is a valuable investment in time so that we can design our learning experiences in our small groups appropriately for the students based on their prerequisite knowledge.